Hi guys, first of all, I would like to thank each one of you for your views, likes, and subscriptions on my channel. It means a lot to me. Today, we'll be making a very old and traditional sweet dish of Kerala, that is jackfruit jam, which some of you might not have even heard about. The best part about the dish is that no preservatives are added and it can be stored in fridge for more than 1 year.
For the ingredients, I have taken around 2 kg of yellow pods from the ripe jackfruit. Then we have 1 kilogram of jaggery, around 8 to 10 tablespoons of ghee. Here I have used Milma brand of ghee. You can use any brand of your choice. As a brief introduction to jackfruit, it is mainly found in the tropical regions of the world and it is native to the southern India. It is also the largest tree fruit in the world. It is packed with all kinds of nutrients like carbohydrate, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium and potassium. There are two ways of checking if the jackfruit is ripe. First is that it will start giving out a very tempting smell. Second is by pressing with fingers. Normally it will be rock solid, but when ripe it will start becoming soft. Always apply coconut oil on the knife as well as on your hands before cutting and handling a jackfruit. No other oil is as effective as a coconut oil. We will start our cooking by keeping the jaggery from melting with 1 cup of water. We have to make sure that all the jaggery melts properly, so in between keep stirring with a spoon. We have to pressure cook the pods till 2 whistles. Here I am using 5-liter cooker with 2 kg jackfruit pods and 1 cup of water.
After the pressure cooked jackfruit pod cools down properly, we have to roughly blend it for 5 seconds into a paste. We will be doing a cooking in an udli, which is a traditional cookware mainly used in the South Indian state of Kerala and few neighboring places. Also, as you can see, we will be cooking over a smokeless firewood chulha. Once the udli is hot, add 3 tablespoons of ghee so that the jackfruit paste does not stick to the udli. Now, transfer the molten jaggery into the udli. Next step is to transfer the blended jackfruit paste into the jaggery. Slowly mix everything properly. This dish requires almost 1.5 hours to 2 hours of cooking. Slowly it will start bubbling. We have to keep stirring and combine everything from all directions. Stirring is a very important step in this preparation, so you have to keep stirring in between. After some time, you will start noticing the color turning into dark, and also the consistency will become thick. Here bubbling means the presence of water. In the starting it will bubble more and in the end it will stop bubbling, indicating no water. There will be a considerable reduction in the overall quantity as we continue the cooking. Once the bubbling has stopped completely, add around 4 tablespoons of ghee.
Mix well and continue the cooking on low heat. By the color and consistency, we can see that our jackfruit jam is almost ready.
Now we will just let it set and cool down properly.
Hope everyone will like this sweet dish. Please do try. Also, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting recipes.